Alright, so when you're finished with your cut, you want to make sure you get your blade, the horizontal bandsaw out of the way before you take your piece out of right. There's going to be fluid coming out, so make sure that you're not spilling fluid all over the floor. And if you do spill it on the floor, you want to make sure that you mop it all up. Usually mop around here for mopping up any kind of spills. We don't want any kind of slipping hazard. So in here is the reservoir. So this is where all the fluid comes in. The fluid comes in here, it gets pumped out, and it goes back into the machine. So you want to make sure that it doesn't overflow, right? So be aware of that. When you do a lot of cuts, you're going to have a lot of metal shaving. You just kind of want to scrape them out of here. So we don't want to clog up the reservoir with metal shaving. So once you get your metal shavings scraped out of here, you're just going to let them sit here, let them drain for a little while before you scrape them into the scrap up. And that's our safety video.